All right, I saw these on Etsy for like 20 bucks each. No. Model it first in SolidWorks. Print it out. Test, see if I like it. This is actually like third or fourth one. But I love this one. I'm gonna cut it. There we go. That's how the cuts are gonna happen. Gotta secure the board in place. Double-sided tape works well. There it is. And we're cutting. Chips are looking good. Machine is working fine. That's the result. Came out perfect. Cut them out on the bandsaw. Make an easy work out of it. And take off the edge. I also put in a 16th inch roundover, but forgot to film it. There they are. Next step is drill the holes for the screws, chamfer them, and it's time for sanding. Sanding. I remember I got a Dremel. That's gonna make it easier. Still, this is the longest step. Now it's on to Odie's oil. This is my absolute favorite part. This is my second favorite. Taking it off an hour later. Comes out perfect, ready tomorrow. This is next day. Look pretty good on the wall. Very functional. Love it.